I don't have to push any buttons, right?
Hey YouTube, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. This is Thomas with Mr. Fix-All Home and Garden. It's a beautiful day in Efland, Labor Day weekend. And of course, you see what I'm doing. Fencing, more fencing. I want to show you what I built this morning. I came out here this morning and built this corner of the property. And built this section of fence right here. And I wanted to get this corner done because I've got the other corners already up. So this is the only corner I haven't got up, and I wanted to take my time. I ran out of lumber this morning, so I had to figure out where to go get more posts. I already had plenty of these boards, but I ran out of these posts, so I finally went all the way to Burlington and found a Tractor Supply up there. Okay, what I'm going to do with this video, guys, is again, this is Sunday, Labor Day weekend. I hope everybody's enjoying themselves. But I just want to show you how I put these fences together. And I don't have no really special trick or nothing like that. But what I had to do is put a kicker on this one here, because this board has got a big bow in it. This post has got a big bow in it going that way. So what I've done is just put a little kicker on the end of it. And I know it was more of a mathematical error on my part, but this is one way you can solve it, okay? So I'm setting up my other post. Okay, now, all I really do is the board that I want to put up, I just make sure down there it's butting up to the other board and it's halfway on this post right here. So if I need to turn it just to figure it out, I can. And I think that looks pretty much, that looks like the deal right there. Okay. Next thing, get it all in there. And you can see this is really good soil here. Shake the pole, get it, we'll start going down in there. Get all your dirt scooped around it. There you go. Now, I got a little special piece of wood I've had about 3 or 4 years. And this is, I'll get everything packed in there. Okay, starting to pack up. There we go. Now what happens when you do it this way is that, first off, when it rains, it'll keep packing this down. You may have to backfill it in a little bit more. But what I found is, if you concrete all this stuff, which is always a better way of doing it, the bottom of the post eventually rots out because the concrete will hold the water. Okay. doing that about maybe 3 to 4 times. And then, even though it wiggles, if it rains, it'll automatically get it hard and pack it down. There we go. Good. A little bit better. Okay. Of course, standard galvanized hot nails, 3.5 inches long. Now, one thing you got to be careful about, this is soft wood, but when you get into this, it's really hard. It'll bend these nails. Okay. And just get it up to where it's about where it needs to be. Right there. And it'll hold itself up just like that if you got it in there tight. Don't want to drop any nails, because when you run the tractor and other equipment down here, you don't want. Now, you look at this, see if you're about halfway on the meat. Shove it over a little bit. There you go. Bring it up to where it's supposed to be level. Before you nail it all the way down, step back. And what it's doing, if you look from the road, it's down a little bit. So I'm going to bring it up about 1 inch. Right about in there. Then come back down here, make sure you're in. Okay, it doesn't matter about the flushness or anything like this, because you're going to put a cap board on here. And this is a cap board right here, so it basically hides any imperfections in the front. It just makes a nice finished look to the fence. Well, I got two more rows to go, and then I just got a couple of posts left, and I got enough board, so I'll make another two sections. Patty's with me. She's the cameraman today, camera woman. And, well, I just want to say, you know, thanks for all the YouTube viewers and all my subscribers. You know, this journey of me coming out here on the farm has been, you know, a lot of hard work, but it's been enjoyable, very enjoyable. I haven't done anything that I really felt as connected to as what, you know, I'm doing out here, because I know it's all mine. Maybe that's what it is ownership. I finally get a sense of ownership, which is, you know, what I've wanted for a long time. So I want everybody to have a great Labor Day weekend. And if you like the prepping, homesteading lifestyle, all the guys and gals out there doing it, you got to sweat a little bit and get your hands dirty and build fences, okay? YouTube, you guys have a great day. You know what to do.
Happy Labor Day.
I'll see you on another video. Press it. No.